welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video of me styling my hair. This is week 1 of me trying to get myself together. One of my goals for this year is to do my hair more, get dressed more. I'm so used to the kids getting out and looking better than me and then me looking a mess, but my self-care for this year is to take more time to be able to do my hair and to get back to feeling like myself as far as getting dressed and stuff. So I am not a pro at this at all. I am still learning my natural hair. I've been natural for I think 6 years, and yeah, I'm still learning how to work with my type 4 texture. I like to say my hair is 4C, but the girlies like to argue over what texture hair is. I think mine is about 4B, 4C. Who knows, type 4 hair, but it's kinkier, so I struggle with doing it. I'm a lazy natural, so I keep my hair in a bunnet, and I pull it back in a bun all the time. So I am committed to trying to figure out more ways to style my hair. So today I decided to do a bubble ponytail that I saw on Pinterest. So I'm just trying it out. So I started off by putting my hair into sections. I love these silk scrunchies that I got off of Amazon because they just keep me from pulling in my hair and things like that. They're easy to take out. So I use them instead of clips when I section my hair off before I wash it. So I just went in and sprayed some aloe vera spray into it, and I'm almost out of that spray. It's so good at detangling my hair. I use it for detangling my hair, my daughter's hair. You can use it for your skin and everything like that, but I love it. And I need to get some more. I got it from Amazon as well. But yeah, so I parted my hair into 4 sections so that I can get ready to wash it. So I just part it and then twist each section. And so that's just me doing that. I love this Tangle Teezer brush. It is like the absolute best. I have 2 of their brushes, but that one is my favorite as far as detangling my hair. It's perfect for me and my daughter's hair. And she is not really, I wouldn't say she's tender-headed, but I can tell the difference when I'm using it versus if I use another type of detangling brush. So I can really get the tangles out. And she has the kinkier texture as well. And I can really get the tangles out and not worry about it just hurting my hair or her hair.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill.
Once I got to my last twist, I finished that up and I was going to shampoo my hair in the shower. I'm not really committed to any specific shampoo. So I've been using the Aveeno shampoo and I love the Aussie moisturizer. So I use that all the time, but I kind of switch up the shampoo. But this is the one that I used today. So I washed my hair, loving my tight curls, and I went in with the Mael Organics leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey. The girls are tussling about Mael or on TikTok, but she's still that girl for me. I love that conditioner in particular, as well as the rosemary oil for sure, and of course the mint almond oil. So I have those already. I know everybody's been talking about them not being in stock, but I already have them at home, and I don't plan on letting them go anytime soon unless something changes about it for my hair. But yeah, so I was gonna go in and do the front of my hair in some little cross twists. And yeah, I told y'all this is a learning experience for me. I'm not a professional, and I realized that I needed a rat tail comb and I didn't have one. So I was struggling my ass off parting my hair. But I wasn't trying to get it perfect anyway. It didn't matter. And I'm not going to keep it up for too many days anyway. So I was trying to section it off. So I wanted to do 8 twists on each side of the front and then crisscross them. So the hardest part was trying to get it all parted. once I got the front separated from the back, I went ahead and put the back that I'm going to put in a bun at the end in a ponytail so that I can section this off. Baby boy was not having it and got up and fell asleep, ended up falling asleep in the carrier. But I put some oil on my rubber band so that they don't cause so much breakage on my hair. And I went ahead and sectioned the parts off so that I can do the twists on the ponytails on each side for the crisscross ponies. Eventually, I got a section how I wanted it to be, and I went in with the Extreme Wetline Gel. I love this gel on my hair. It's the only gel that kind of works on my kinky texture. I love it. It also helps define my hair when I use it for that, but I just applied some to the roots so that my hair wouldn't be flying away and would lay down a little bit in the rubber band ponytails. So after I did that, I just went in and repeated that for the different sections at that side of my hair so that I could go in, and once I got the 8 ponytails with the rubber bands, then I would crisscross that side. Even though I was using the comb, I do try to finger part my hair before I part with the comb, just so that if there's any tangles or anything like that, I can just pull it apart with my fingers versus the comb. It just, for me, helps avoid like pulling so much of my hair out or causing like too much breakage on it.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
So once I was finishing the last ponytails on this side, I went ahead and got some more rubber bands so that I could crisscross each one across. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I crisscrossed them and did, I believe, 4 crisscross on the front of those 8 ponytails. And then once I was done with those crisscrosses, I went ahead and did the same thing to the other side.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Y'all, my daughter was so ready to see the finished product. She just kept asking, "Are you done yet? Are you done? Is this the finished result?" Like, girl, sit down. Let me do my hair. But she was excited. She's like, "What are you doing to your hair?" She really doesn't see me do my hair often, so she sees me doing her hair. So she's like, "Girl, what you doing?" But yeah, I went in on the other side and detangled that so that I could do the ponytails on that side. And this is how it looked once they all were done. I really liked it. And yeah, I had to get ready to take the back of my hair down so that I could brush that part up into the ponytail for the bubble ponytail. But I like the twist at the front, so I think I may try them again with just my natural curls and define them. But yeah, I'm excited to see what a wash and go looks like on my curls. But I went back in with the extreme gel to do the brush the back of my hair up. And I put it in a bun so that I could put the ponytail on. I just used some kinky braiding hair that I got from Amazon. And I applied the ponytail and so that I could flip it around to do the top of the bubble ponytail. And then I just went in with some ponytail holders to put the bubbles in. And so this was the finished product. I really like the plain ponytail before the bubble ponytail too, but I like both of them. It's a look. It's a look. Look at me. Okay. It's giving. It came out of my scalp at the back. The texture was matching. I love how it turned out, y'all. So this is week 1. I love it, y'all. I can't wait to try more styles. See you guys in the next video.